Looking to skyrocket your storage performance? Imagine running 4 NVMe M.2 drives simultaneously with a single expansion card that taps into the full power of PCIe 4.0. This card supports drives in sizes 2242, 2260, 2280, and even 22110, delivering up to 256 gigabits per second bandwidth. That's quadruple the speed you'd expect from Gen 4 drives, giving your system a serious edge in speed and responsiveness. I recently upgraded my setup with this card and the difference was night and day. Unlike bulkier alternatives like the Gigabyte AORUS, which felt overbuilt and heavy, this card strikes a perfect balance with a sleek design and lighter weight. The server-grade, low-loss PCB ensures stable, high-speed data transfer, while compatibility with PCIe X8 and X16 slots means it fits right into most high-end motherboards. Plus, it supports the latest 14W power consumption SSDs, so you're ready for the newest generation of drives without worrying about power limits. Thermal throttling is a common bottleneck with high-speed NVMe drives, but this card tackles that head-on. It comes equipped with a stylish heatsink and an integrated blower-style fan that keeps temperatures in check, so your drives maintain peak performance even under heavy workloads. Installation is straightforward, too. You get 4 sets of screws and NVMe standoffs, with pre-applied thermal pads on the heatsink mount. Just remove a few screws on the back of the PCB to access them, and you're set. Keep in mind, to fully utilize all 4 M.2 drives, your motherboard needs native PCIe bifurcation support, X4, 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 X4. Most X570 boards cover this on their primary X16 slot, and server or headboards often offer it as a standard feature. If your motherboard supports it, you can even run 2 of these cards simultaneously, doubling your storage capacity and speed without a hitch. If you're serious about maximizing your PC's storage performance, this 4 NVMe M.2 PCIe 4.0 expansion card is worth a look. It delivers robust speed, smart thermal management, and compatibility with the latest drives, all wrapped in a design that's both practical and efficient. Try it when you're ready to take your system to the next level.